What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you yet another way that you can turn your credit into cash. That's right, take your credit card lines and turn them into actual cash. Now, in one of my previous videos that I will post the link to in the description of this video, I talked about the power of relationship banking. I used Chase Bank as an example and talked about all of these offers that they've given me from building a relationship with them through only one trade line. I got a Chase Business Unlimited Inc. That's it. No checking accounts, no money markets, no savings accounts, none of that other products. Because to be honest, I'm not really a big fan of their check-ins and savings accounts. I think they loaded with fees and they don't really pay anything. When it comes to like checking and savings accounts, I like mid-sized and smaller banks because they typically are better about sharing the wealth with you in the way of paying you interest for your accounts, so your accounts actually make money. And to me, all of my money has to have a job, and I hope you feel the same way about your money. In another video, I talked about how to turn credit into cash. The example that I gave you was convenience checks that I've received that allow me to be able to write a check to myself off of my credit line and pay a lower interest rate. Well, I got a really nice product to share with you today, and it kind of marries those two videos where I talk about turning credit into cash and the power of relationship banking. Now, again, with Chase Bank, I only got one account. I got a Chase Business Unlimited Inc. That's it. No other accounts with them. So I received this email about my Chase Business Unlimited Inc. account just today. It says, your business is pre-approved for a My Chase loan with no credit check required. Turn your business's available credit line into a lower rate loan. Now again, I only got the one account with them. I didn't solicit this or anything like that. It just popped up in the inbox, but I got a great history with them. I've had the history for less than 2 years, but it's stellar. Payments on time. I've used the account, and they're just saying, hey, this is a good customer. Let's throw some more products at them, get them to spend some more money with us. And of course, it is a advantage for you because it gives you more access to capital. Now they're saying that they'll give me a loan against this line of credit with no credit check, against this credit card limit with no credit check, just a straight loan, straight cash. So I said, hey, I'm really liking the way this looks, so I kept looking. So it says, get the money you need to move your business forward. And it's telling me that I need to respond by January 18th of 2024. And it has a button there where I can see my rate. So further down on the same email is saying, it's easy to take advantage of your available business credit. My Chase loan is a great way to handle business expenses, including office improvements, technology upgrades, bill consolidation, and business travel. This added value only uses a portion of your business card's available credit while giving your business the opportunity to save on interest with a lower APR. Now remember, most credit cards, if you're doing good, it's like 17%. I've seen it as high as 25, 26%. If your credit's not so great, close to 30% for the APR. But of course, my credit is good, so I would pay somewhere in the lower scale of whatever they're offering. I'm not sure what they're going to offer yet, so let me just keep going through and see what they got, okay? So it says, no credit check, no application, no new account to manage. Save with a fixed monthly payment, a lower rate than your standard purchase APR, and then there's no origination fees, no prepayment penalties. I like the way this is looking. So basically it goes in 3 steps. It's saying choose your loan amount, choose your payment duration based on your loan amount, and then have your funds deposited into your bank account in as quickly as 1 to 2 business days. So I went ahead and clicked on that screen that told me to check my rate, and it took me to my Chase business account screen, and it's telling me turn your business credit into a lower APR loan, and it has a login screen. So I logged in, and it says My Chase Loan. Take advantage of credit you already have on your Chase credit card to get a flexible, lower APR loan using your available credit with no application or no credit check required. These funds can be deposited directly into your bank account for business expenses such as office improvement, tech upgrades, bill consolidation, and more. And then it kind of repeats what it says on the email as far as letting you know the terms: no credit check, lower fixed APR, no fees, origination, or prepayment penalties. So I went ahead and I checked my rate, and it's telling me you're already approved for the My Chase loan. Get your loan from your credit line. No application, credit check, or fees. Will deposit to your bank account even if it's not a Chase account. And it's telling me I can borrow up to $7,900 is the maximum that I can request, with a minimum of $500, and that my interest rate is going to be between 8.49 to 11.49%. Of course, it's based on what you qualify for. My credit's pretty strong, so I would think that mine is going to be in that lower tier. So hey guys, it's as easy as that to get your credit and turn it into cash. But you gotta build that relationship. These two things go hand in hand. Build a relationship with a financial institution, and I always recommend getting at least one super big box bank, even though I'm more of a fan of small and mid-sized banks, because I think they got tons of great products and they're a little bit more willing to work with you. But once you start getting that score up higher, prior to you getting that score up higher, build the relationship with the big box banks, at least one of them, because you'll get some amazing offers when you're a great customer. Not a good customer, a great customer. Now keep in mind, my limit on this card is only $10,000. So they're basically saying we will give you 80%, because they're saying $7,900. That's basically 80% of your card's limit. We'll give it to you in cash, and we'll deposit it to whatever bank account you want it deposited to. I just don't think it gets any better than that. If you needed an infusion of cash for a project, if you had an investment opportunity coming up, whatever it may be, if you just needed some extra cash, period, now you got access to that capital, and you get it at a much better term than you would going through some predatory lending or one of these places that wants to charge you like 20, 30, 40, 50. I've seen even higher APRs for a loan, in addition to some crazy loan origination fees. I recently had a client where I work that came to me and showed me on his credit report where he had a personal loan with a 37% interest rate and a 7% loan origination fee, which is absolutely insane. So hey guys, if you don't take anything else from this, believe that it's power in establishing a great relationship with a powerful bank, a really powerful bank. You don't have to do all your banking with them. I'm not recommending that, because I don't do it myself. I deal with smaller and mid-sized banks. They treat you good, they got good products, and they're willing to work with you. Bigger banks are a little more snooty, but if you come correct and you got it together, you can access some great products. So this is marrying those two videos of how to turn credit into cash and having the relationship with a big box bank. So hey guys, hope you got something out of this one. Don't forget, check out my link tree if you can. I got tips on credit. I got real estate products there, access to capital, investment capital. Check that out when you get a chance. But for now, this class is dismissed.